Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today it is such a gloomy day, so I thought what better day to do a clean with me than today. So I am finally tackling my fridge. It has been so long overdue. It has been a very long summer, so I'm so glad I'm finally getting this done right before their school starts. I try not to do any grocery shopping this whole week because I feel cleaning a half empty fridge is so much easier. So without further ado, let's get cleaning.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Told you I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be standing on the porch in the night, thinking how we used to be way back in time. In time. Barefoot on the grass, open skies. I can feel it every time I close my eyes. My eyes, yeah. Can you remember when we were young and free, like queens up on the thrones? Never surrender, we're having too much fun. Could feel it in my bones. I was never alone.
Oh my gosh, I am finally done cleaning my fridge and it feels so good. If you have not cleaned out your fridge, go do it now. Like, clean both sides. Don't just clean like the fridge and not the freezer. Clean both, because I always clean the fridge, but I always forget the freezer. Also, I wanted to mention that I'm not using any special bins or labeling or anything. I'm just using what I have around my house. Also, just go with what feels comfortable in your house and also your budget. You don't have to go and spend $40, $50 on these nice acrylic containers. Just go to the dollar store. I mean, they have plenty of stuff out there, and you know, just get creative. Thank you again for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and most importantly, I hope this video inspired you to clean out your fridge as well. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.